In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward Hotmail emails to another account. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to the Outlook sign-in page. This is where you'll access your Hotmail, now part of Outlook. Click Sign In and log in with your Microsoft account credentials. If you're prompted to pick from accounts you've used before, simply select your existing account to continue. Complete any security checks if they appear, and you'll land in your Outlook inbox. Once you're in the inbox, click on the email you want to forward. I'm using a sample message here, but you can choose any message you need to pass along. Opening the message, make sure the forwarding options relate specifically to that email. With the message open, look for the three-dot More Actions menu. It's typically near the reply and forward buttons at the top of the message. Click those three dots to expand the full set of options. From that menu, choose Other Reply Actions. This reveals additional tools that don't show up in the basic toolbar. It's a handy place for advanced options that preserve more of the original email's details. Now select Forward as Attachment. This option attaches the original email as a .yml file, which preserves formatting, headers, and any embedded details. It's especially useful when you want the recipient to see the email exactly as you received it, or if they need to review technical information like the sender's address and timing. Think of it as sending a sealed copy of the original message. A new draft will open with the .eml file already attached. In the To field, enter the email address of the person or account you want to forward to. You can also add a short note in the message body to explain why you're forwarding it, which helps the recipient understand the context. If needed, add CC or BCC recipients for visibility and glance at the subject line to make sure it looks right. When everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will move the message to your sent items, and your recipient will receive the original email as an attachment. Most modern email apps, including Outlook and Gmail, can open .eml files without any extra steps. If the email includes large attachments, give it a moment to upload and send. And that's it. You signed in, opened the message, used the More Actions menu, chose Other Reply Actions, forwarded as an attachment, addressed your message, and sent it. Use this method whenever you need to preserve the original email exactly as it was received, and always double check that you're forwarding information to the right person.